myself, Dr. G. Nandini from Department of Mathematics, SNS College of Technology. Today, we are going to see the case study on the topic application of eigenvalue in forensics math. So, eigenvalue have many applications in all fields of sciences, and especially today we will discuss about the forensics math. What math is involved in forensic science? So before getting into the applications of eigenvalue, let us first see the definitions of forensic science. Forensic science is any branch of science that is used to analyze crime scene evidence for a court of law. So forensic science helps us to analyze the crime evidence problem, and it helps us to draw the solutions of such kind of problem. What math is involved in forensic science? All science use math concept and equations, and forensic scientists as well educated in mathematical concept they use to analyze evidence from crime scene. So mathematics, by using eigenvalue and eigenvector applications and concept, the forensic scientists will analyze the evidence from the crime scene. Crime fighting math. Fighting crime. Perhaps not the first thing that springs to mind when you think of maths. Ask someone on the street what they think about math, and unfortunately their answers may be maths is boring, and maths is exhaust, maths is irrelevant, and maths is scary. But of course all these are not so. Maths help us to solve the problem statement by an easy way. So in forensics math, they use the Radon formula Rp of theta equal to some integral f of x comma y delta p plus I e power I theta, where f of x comma y equal to 1 by 2 pi integral e power I w1x d omega double integral e power minus I theta minus w are d theta and d pi. So this Radon's formula finds the very important role in forensics math. It is the integral to many of the methods police use to solve crime, including dealing with fingerprint, accident and number plate reconstruction and tracking positions. So what are the challenges facing the police? Police are faced with many challenges when tracking a crime. They must find out what happened at the scene of crime or accident. They need to interpret confusion data, which also need to store and mine for information. And in the interest of justice, the evidence, both physical and electronic, must be secure. Mathematics can help with all these data. Data can be stored and interpreted using wavelet, probability and statistic. It can be securely transmitted using prime number and cryptography. But first of all, police must get at the information underlying the data. Often, the evidence is the result of physical process that is well understood, like a speedy car causing slight mark. So to find out the exact cause of evidence, the speed of the car, the math that describes the physics needs to be run backward. This is called solving an inverse problem. So this bulged fingerprint is all the police may find. Running the bulging process backward, math can clear up the fingerprint. Of course, it is also used in investigating a car accident. Was the car speeding? We can use this analysis, and was the car speeding? So this car tire skid mark, using this photography, the police can be able to analyze the crime scene. So the evidence available is the collision damage on the vehicle involved, witness report and tire skid mark. Just like on television, examining the skid mark can help reconstruct the accident. The marks are caused by the speed of the car as well as other factors such as braking force, friction with the road and impact with the other vehicles. The model involves a bulging function that is applied to the original image to give the bulged image. So can we have math out of life? Of course, it is not possible. Math is in our life also. So eigenvalue problem has many applications in our life. Thank you.